Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope you are fine. In this presentation, we are going to understand the concept of file method in Python. So without any further delay, let's get started. File handling in Python is powerful and versatile tool that can be used to perform a wide range of operations. Python supports file handling and allows users to handle file, that is read file, write file, along with many other file handling operations we can operate on file. But before performing any operation of file like reading or writing, first we have to open that file. For this, we should use Python inbuilt function open. But at the time of opening, we must provide two arguments. We have to specify the mode, which represent the purpose of the opening file. The arguments are file name and mode. File name is a file which I want to open in my code editor, and mode represents the purpose of the opening file. There are different type of mode available. Read mode, that is for read operation. Write mode, that is for open an existing file for a write operation. If the file already contains some data, then it will be overridden. But file is not present, then it creates a file as well as. There is another mode, append mode. It is used for open an existing file for append operation. It won't overwrite existing data. So let us discuss one by one. First of all, I have created one file in Notepad. This is my text file. I have saved my file with file1.txt. Now I want to open this file in my code editor. Now for running Python program, I am using here Notepad++ for run our Python program. So what is Notepad++? Notepad++ is a text editor and source code editor available officially on Microsoft Windows. It is free open source code editor that supports various programming languages, and Python is one of them. It is widely used source code editor for Python, and PPP is a short abbreviation for Notepad++ and PP. In our previous presentation, we have run our program in Visual Studio Code or Command Prompt. Now we are going to run our program in Notepad++. It is very easy to use, easy to understand. Let's see how to run code in Notepad++. Now we are discussing about file method in Python. Now see read mode, how to use read mode in code editor. There is more than one way to how to read from a file in Python. Let us see how we can read the content of file in read mode. We will use open command. It will open the Python file in read mode, and I am using here for loop so that I can print each line present in my file. So write down here file equal to open. Under open, we must provide two arguments, that is file name. My file name is file1.txt. Now I am here using here read mode because I want to open in file in read mode. Now hit enter. Now I am using here for loop so that I can print every line one by one in the file. So type here for each in file. After end of statement, we must put semicolon here. Now for printing, I am using here print command. Now next step is I have to save my file. So go to file menu bar. Under file menu bar, select save as option and save your file.py extension. I have already saved my file. Now I want to run this code. Then go to plugins menu. Under plugins menu, select npp execution. There are a lot of options available. We have to select run Python, and the shortcut key for run Python is Alt+C. Now I'm clicking here. So this is my output window. In this output window, this is my output. This is my text file which I have created in Notepad. Brief history file. So all the contents has been shown in this window. With the help of open method, we can open that file. I hope this concept is clear to you. Now there is another method to read a file using the with statement in Python. So using with statement, we can also open my file. How to use with statement in Python in this editor? Write down with. Under with, open method. Under open, write down file name here. Again I am using same file here, file1.txt as file. equals to read, because I want to read only file, and hit enter. For printing data, use print command. Again save your file, Control S. Now I want to run my code. So you can also go to plugin command. Under plugin command, go to npp execution and select run Python. This is my output window. Again it shows the content of my notepad file. So with the help of which statement we can also open my file. So another way to read a file is to call a certain number of characters. The interpreter will read the first 5 characters of the stored data and return it as a string. How to use this method in code editor? So again I'm using same file here. File equals to open. Under open method, write down file name here. My file name is file1.txt. Write down mode here. I'm using here read mode and hit enter. Now I want to print my data, so using here print command. For print command, file dot read. Under read, put argument 5, because I want to read only first 5 characters of my file, and close this brackets. And now again save it, and for execution, the shortcut key for Alt or E. So this is the content of my file. You can see here, this is the output brief. 1, first, second, third, fourth and fifth. This is the 5 characters shown in my output. As I'm opening my notepad file, this is the first 5 characters of my notepad file. So I hope all these concepts are clear to you. How to use read method in my Python file method. If you have any doubt, then don't hesitate to write them in my comment below. We are always there for you. I hope all these concepts are clear to you. Thanks for watching this presentation. I'll see you next one. Have a